Has your gas mileage taken a nosedive recently? Or is your engine running rougher than usual? If you have scanned your vehicle and found the code P2255, you are dealing with an issue in your oxygen sensor circuit, specifically O2 sensor negative current control circuit low, bank 2 sensor 1. Let's decode that mouthful. This is a generic code for OBD2 vehicles from 1996 and newer. It tells us the computer is seeing a problem with the ground circuit for the upstream oxygen sensor on bank 2. Bank 2 is simply the side of the engine that does not have cylinder number 1, and sensor 1 means it is the sensor located before your catalytic converter. This sensor is crucial because it sniffs your exhaust fumes to tell the computer if the engine is running too rich or too lean. It does this by moving oxygen ions between platinum layers inside the sensor, creating a voltage signal. When this circuit fails or shows low voltage, your computer can't adjust the fuel mixture correctly, leading to that poor performance and wasted gas. To fix this, you need to start with a visual inspection. Look for burnt or broken wires leading to that sensor. If the wiring looks good, you will need a digital volt ohm meter to check for continuity. A pro tip is to use your scanner to watch the live data stream. A healthy sensor will have voltage that bounces up and down constantly between 1 and 900 millivolts. If yours is stuck or showing 0 and the wiring is fine, the sensor itself usually has an internal short and needs to be replaced. Don't ignore this one, because a bad oxygen sensor can eventually damage your catalytic converter, which is a much more expensive repair.